First time I'm gonna be dipping my toes into the Pacific Ocean. It's gonna be quick. I'm not gonna be swimming, but I'm gonna see if I can dip my feet into the water. And I will tell you how cold it is. As they say, this water's very cold. So let's see. I'm going through seaweed. This is very, very tough walking right now. Very tough walking right now. They have the waves. They're not kidding about that. Those Gulf Coast waves, they got nothing on this. I'll tell you right now. So let's see if the water's really cold. Let's see right now. How cold is the water? Let's find out. Kinda. Oh shit. No, I cannot. I gotta wash these off. Wait. Not that bad. Wash them. Yeah. I'll clean them anyway. I mean, hey. Wait. I'm not ready for this. I just wanted to dip in. That's all I wanted to do. And I don't think it's really all that cold compared to New England beaches. I don't think it is. I don't think it's that much cold. They say it is. I don't think so. They say you gotta wear a wetsuit in this water. I don't think so. I call bullshit on that. I call bullshit on that. I don't think you need to wear a wetsuit in this water like people say you need to do. I need a washing. This is too muddy. I gotta just stand steady here. I gotta just stand steady here. Come on. I gotta stand steady. Alright. I don't think it's that cold, but it's powerful. It's powerful. Very powerful. You gotta really warm up. Still kind of picking up blood. I'm gonna have to go to the shower. I'll talk to you later. And I figured I would do it, maybe one more time. I don't know. I don't think it's that cold. I'm gonna wash my legs. But the weather's so much better over here. It's nicer. It's cooler. It is not dry, shitty heat everywhere. I gotta somehow wash here. Where it's not as powerful, I gotta wash right here. Let me wash right here. I don't know. That's as good as it's gonna get until I get to the shower. Bye. Bye.